Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is MySQL tutorial 13. Today we are going to learn how to rename a table in MySQL. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. As sometimes business requirement change, we need to rename the current table to a new one to better reflect the new situation. MySQL provides us with a very useful statement that changes the name of one or more tables. To change one or more tables, we use this syntax. To change the table name is given as follows: alter table database name dot old table name rename to database name dot new table name. Today we are going to change uh, student table. We want to change student to student information. Now I'm writing the query: alter table database name CSC dot CSC dot student old table name student rename to database name CSC dot new table name student information. Alter table database name CSC CSC old table name student rename to database name CSC CSC new table name student information. I want to change student to student information. Now I will use alter statement to change or rename table. Change student to student information. Now executing this command. See, this operation is successful. Now table name is changed and select statement is used to see whether the rename operation was successful or not. The query for that: select star from CSC dot student this query. Executing this one, this query gives an error as there is no longer a table with the name student. The name has been changed to student information. If we refresh this one, take table, it is now student information. Now if we use select command, select star from CSC dot student information, executing this one. Now there is no error as the table name student has been changed to student information. I think now you understand how to rename a table in MySQL. Actually, it is very easy. Just you have to give alter table database name dot old table name, rename to database name, and your desired new table name. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.